Mustangul ăla roșu, dragi prieteni, în care poate cu toții visăm și l-am văzut în diferite filme. 390 de căluți, interior frumos de piele, roșu, totul fain. Ca în filmele americane. Frate și soră, Mustang GT pe albastru, mașină absolut superbă. Toate mașinile aici sunt cu capota ridicată, curate și lustruite, fain frumos, nicio pată de rugină. Are you the owners?
Yes.
May I have an interview with you?
Sure.
Since how long, since when you are having these cars?
Had the blue one for 40 years.
40 years?
40 years, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that you were young in the days that you bought it.
I was young when I had that car, yes.
It was the top of the line at that period?
It was actually, it would have been about 15 years old, I think, when I bought it. So,
Oh, not
so I don't know if it was top of the line, but it's always been a pretty popular car, the Mustang has. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Did you got a ticket with it?
Pardon me?
Did you got the speed ticket with it?
I've had a few speeding tickets with it, yeah.
Was it worth?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's important.
Yep.
Passion was much, it's much powerful than the money.
Yeah. Yep.
Sometimes you have to live the dream.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
What about the other one?
The other one we've had about 4 years. So,
Which one you like the most? Or are the same performances on both?
pretty close. Yeah. I like the blue one most.
I assume so. I mean,
A little more sentimental value. I've had it
Yeah.
a little longer. So,
I've never seen I've seen cars like this, but no rust nowhere.
no.
It was restored, or it just
Yes.
it's like how it was in the
It's
factory?
never had rust. Yeah. So. Yep.
That's nice. Both of them are looking very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I was saying that the red one many times is appearing in American movies, and
Yes.
I came here just 3 years ago for my first time, and every time I was saying, oh, if I will see a car like this, I don't know, I will take a picture of it, and now I got used to United States life. You see beautiful cars like every 2 minutes.
So where are you from?
I'm from Romania.
Okay.
I'm here just for the summer.
Okay.
It was a pleasure, sir. Thank you very much for
You
the
betcha.
interview.
Thank you.
My name was Ben.
Okay.
Hey Ben, Jim and Carrie.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you
you
very
too.
much for the interview
You bet.
and for these 2 beautiful cars
Absolutely.
in the videos.